Hi, I'm Itamar Kamar. I have 15 years of experience as a developer and another 10 years of experience teaching programming to students from schools such as Harvard and MIT. I also have other students who are now employees in companies such as Google, Microsoft, and Meta. I've meticulously designed this course, Python Complete, from first line to first job, to help on your Python journey. By taking this course, you'll learn the fundamentals of Python through interactive exercises. We'll go over advanced programming concepts, and you'll also learn how to use industry standard tools. By the end, you'll be fully equipped for your first position as a junior Python developer with a portfolio of real-world applications that you've built, from games to web scraping projects and more. We'll dive into variables and data types, programming control flow, object-oriented programming, file handling, databases, and AWS server deployment. The curriculum is designed to give you a holistic and practical grasp of Python, ensuring you're job ready after completing this course. This course is ideal for beginners, career switchers, or anyone aspiring to enter into the tech world. Whether you're looking to develop a new skill set for a new career, or enriching your current programming knowledge, this course is your gateway to the Python programming landscape. Thanks for watching. Enroll in Python Complete from first line to first job and take your first step towards a rewarding Python development career. You can preview the course for free and see what awaits you. I'm excited to guide you on this journey.